for school. I'm heading off.
Okay, Dad. Bye.
Oh, yum. Oh, Maddie, how's it going?
I'm okay.
Hey, shouldn't you be at school?
Shouldn't you be at work?
I am working, smarty pants.
Aren't you a comedian or a writer or something?
Yeah, creativity is a process. Want a nut?
No. Thanks.
Want to hear a cool story about these nuts?
I'm good. Why are you so chirpy?
Well, Maddie, the sun is out, the nuts are nutty, the fruit is fresh, and the afternoon's just getting started. How about some fruit salad? Oh, yum.
What's the story?
Oh, the story. Okay, so I went to Gary, Fraser Island, on holiday once, and I heard about how Aboriginal people over there, the Butchulla people, they don't call them macadamias, they call them bopple nuts. Because back in the dream time, a man called Bopple climbed a mountain with a plan to stay up there and look after it. But he hurt his foot on the way up, and he was in a bad way, until his lizard mate told a rock wallaby about the whole situation. And the wallaby told the lizard that Bopple needed some water, and they tried to get him some, but they couldn't carry it. So they asked a kangaroo for help. And after the roo fetched him a drink, a cockatoo swooped in to pick some nuts for Bopple to eat. Then the lizard and the wallaby made a fire, and the cocky fetched some leaves so they could smoke it out and let Bopple's family know he was stuck up on that mountain.
I guess it's a nice story. I'm going back to bed now.
Hey, I'm not finished. You ready for part 2?
Sure.
Turns out in the 1850s, a botanist named Ferdinand von Mueller got obsessed with these kind of nuts. He'd never seen anything like them, and he ended up calling them macadamias after his friend, a guy called Dr. John McAdam. Then this doctor buddy obviously wanted to try the nuts that were named after him, so he climbed aboard a big tall ship and set sail for the nearest plantation. But he never arrived. Yeah, he got sick, carked it, on the ship.
So, what's the moral of the story?
I don't know, mate. What do you think it is?
Whoa.
Hello, friends.
The moral of the story is you never can be sure what the day will bring.
There'll always be ups and downs. There'll always be smiles and frowns. 'Cause we're all here to sing. A bad mood's a natural thing. But we're all here to preach. A good mood's not out of reach. Yeah, we want you to know. A good mood's in your control.
The moral of the story is you never can be sure what the day will bring. Dr. Mac sailed the seas to taste the yummy things they named after him. But he got really sick as his ship didn't have any vitamins.
So when your body's feeling droopy, you can try getting fruity to feel right again.
And when your brain gets in trouble, why don't you grab a shovel and start gardening?
Us others and nuts, yeah, we've got good fats, boosting your brains while doing your maths.
Feeling like a sad ballad, eat a rat's flatulent, and they get a tad jealous.
Feeling real stuck, here's help you got. We be digging your mind right out of that rut.
Seeing real gloom, citrus keeps you immune, so your body and mind will get better soon.
Custard apple here and I've got rough skin. I'm rocking with the B6 vitamins.
Vitamin B6, yeah, those vibes be slick. Boosting your mood with a neuron kick.
I got berries to my left, I've got berries to my right. Flavonoids in my berries make me feel alright.
There'll always be ups and downs. There'll always be smiles and frowns. Yes, we're all here to sing. A bad mood's a natural thing, but we're all here to preach. A good mood's not out of reach. Yeah, we want you to know a good mood's in your control.
When you're getting real impatient, you could try meditation till you're feeling zen. When you're feeling really stressed, you could start a game of chess or learn the drums again. When your mind's racing fast, kick a ball on the grass or read under a tree.
And when you're feeling hopeless, you can find new focus if you ask your friend.
Just remember to stay open if your life is feeling broken.
'Cause nothing fixes everything.
But lots of things can help. The moral of the story is you never can be sure what the tale will bring.
Wow. I'm not too impressed with how that nut rhymed story with Shori, but I feel like she had some good advice.
That's it. I'm out of here. Are you going to finish that?